Hello, we are approaching the end of our program and today we are going to focus on reducing your exposure to two very threatening toxins, BPA and arsenic. Toxins are substances that have harmful effects on the body. Some are found naturally in the environment such as arsenic that is found in the soil, while others are man-made like dioxins and BPA, an industrial chemical that is used to make plastics. Toxicity from heavy metals and dangerous chemicals can affect the central nervous system, leading to diseases like Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's. Toxins also damage the liver and kidneys, disturb the reproductive system and can eventually lead to cancer. Arsenic, a hidden danger in rice. Recent research has found that the majority of rice and rice products found in the market globally contain high amounts of arsenic. Arsenic is one of the world's most toxic elements and has been classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer as carcinogenic to humans. The levels of arsenic are higher than before due to environmental pollution and some pesticides that are being widely used. Arsenic in the food chain. Arsenic is found at high levels only in rice, as rice is the only grain that grows in the water and arsenic enters the plant through the water. Reduce exposure to arsenic. Before cooking your rice, leave it overnight in water. Rinse well and cook in a high amount of water, using the analogy 5:1 to 10:1 if possible. After boiling for 6 to 7 minutes, throw the boiling water, rinse again and add some more water until the rice is cooked. This has been shown to reduce about 60 to 70% of the arsenic in rice. Basmati rice contains lower levels of arsenic than other rice. Brown rice usually contains more arsenic than white rice, and it is more difficult to remove the arsenic compared to white rice. Organic rice also has the same amounts of arsenic, as arsenic is absorbed from the soil. Rice cakes and rice milk contain high levels of arsenic and it is better to avoid them. The levels of arsenic found in rice milk far exceed the levels that would be allowed in drinking water. BPA in your plates? BPA stands for bisphenol A. It is an industrial chemical that is used to make plastics and it enters the body via the foods we eat, particularly canned food, food served hot in plastic containers, plastic baby bottles and plastic water bottles. BPA has been proved to act as a hormone disruptor, meaning that it mimics the structure and function of the hormone estrogen in the body, and also some research has linked BPA with thyroid problems. BPA levels in the body have been linked with low sperm count in men and low egg quality in women and may negatively affect many aspects of fertility. Exposure to BPA in the early stages of fetal and childhood development has been found to increase the risk of developing hormone-related cancers in later life such as breast and prostate cancer. High BPA levels have also been linked to increasing the risk of heart disease, obesity, insulin resistance and diabetes. Tips for minimizing BPA exposure. Avoid plastic food and drink containers. Use glass, pyrex, porcelain, ceramic, or stainless steel containers for hot foods and liquids instead. Use glass or stainless steel baby bottles. Avoid heat for plastic containers. Do not use plastic containers in microwave ovens or in dishwashers, as the plastic may break down over time and allow BPA to leach into foods. Avoid completely the use of canned foods, since most cans are lined with BPA-containing resin plastic. Canned food is generally heated to 110 C, 230 F, during the sterilizing process, resulting in BPA leaking into the food. Examples are tinned fish, such as tuna and sardines, tinned soups, and tinned fruits and vegetables such as corn. Replace your plastic bottles with stainless steel ones. Store leftovers in pyrex and not plastic containers.